Salesforce Revenue Cloud CPQ promises to unify configure price quote workflows inside your existing Salesforce org. But at enterprise scale, the Salesforce CPQ architecture tells a different story. CPQ was built to eliminate manual quoting errors and accelerate deal velocity across complex product catalogs. The platform targets revenue operations teams managing tiered pricing, subscription amendments, and multi-product bundles inside a single governed environment. Yet, the Salesforce Quote Object Model and its CPQ pricing waterfall carry structural constraints that surface fast when deal complexity scales. Each quote line triggers a pricing waterfall calculation, a sequential engine that processes list price, discount schedules, block pricing, and contracted rates in order. Under catalogs exceeding roughly 2,000 SKUs or bundles with deeply nested option sets, this waterfall can generate SOQL volumes that collide with Salesforce governor limits. Bundle configuration rules written in Apex compound the problem. A single quote recalculation can exhaust CPU time limits before the page even renders. In multi-org enterprise deployments, there is no native cross-org pricing synchronization, forcing custom middleware to keep catalogs consistent. Salesforce CPQ licensing typically starts around $75 per user per month, but that figure excludes Revenue Cloud Advanced capabilities for billing and contract lifecycle management, which most enterprises ultimately need. Implementation costs routinely reach $200,000 to $500,000 for complex deployments, driven by Apex customization required to work around governor limits and waterfall bottlenecks. Org segmentation strategies, often recommended to reduce transaction load, multiply admin overhead and licensing costs simultaneously. The logic verdict: Salesforce Revenue Cloud CPQ is defensible if your team is deeply embedded in the Salesforce ecosystem and your catalog complexity stays manageable. Beyond that threshold, the governor limit architecture and layered licensing create a total cost of ownership most organizations underestimate at procurement. If you are evaluating alternatives, DealHub, Conga CPQ, and Zuwara CPQ are worth reviewing. Links to all three are in the description below. If this breakdown saved you time, subscribe for more enterprise software teardowns and hit like to help others find it.